Hello guys, nice to meet you again. This is Drew from SINOMADA China Limited. Many of our clients are interested in small and mini excavators. So today we are at KUBOTA Excavator Factory. They have great model 3.5 to 1 ton mini excavators. Now I will introduce its 3-ton U30 model to you. Firstly, let's see its overall appearance. Its total weight is 3,016 kilograms. Bucket capacity is 0.08 cube. Max stick depth is 2,825 millimeter. Gas sticking reach is 4,951 millimeter. Enough for most of small construction projects. Now please follow me to check more details of it. It's a used KUBOTA engine, which is fuel efficiency and no noise. You can see its high quality here. You can see it has fully open hood, makes it daily maintenance more convenient and fast. At its cabin, it is option for cab or roofed. It could load with heating and AC. Make sure a comfortable working place in any rough environment. Okay, that is all of today. If you have any interest in this KUBOTA mini excavator, please feel free to contact me. See you next time. Bye.